I mean, sourcing the raw materials that you need to produce sodium-ion batteries is, compared to some of the lithium technologies, easier. However, the challenge here is still that although on a first glance, some of the chemistries that underlie lithium-ion technology and sodium-ion technology look very similar because of lithium and ion. There are very sort of similar isotopes or similar elements. Yeah. They are not, and this basically results in different sort of performance, or in maybe even in some issues of these sodium-ion batteries compared to a lithium-ion technology with the same or very similar structural feature, structure of the material that we use. Nevertheless, it is worth going both directions, basically, because at some point we will drain out our lithium resources. And if we don't have enough capacity already in the recycling and in the reusing of lithium ion, we will run into a problem. Yeah? People are working on that. NMR can help on all these ends, as I outlined earlier, in my opinion. And sure, I mean, even if it's not the same using sodium-ion technology, yeah, we will find other ways, maybe even better ways. We don't know yet. Yeah, but it is surely a challenging task, which is why people need the best hardware they can get. To not, have to play with actually, getting the experiment to run. They can ask us for doing that for them. We help them, we consult them on what is possible. And then this will hopefully, benefit their research or their R&D or their quality controlling of manufacturing and other things.